My people, I greet you now. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, depending on the time zone. That picture that did there now, I don't know what to una people they call that seed. For my own Igbo language, we they call them okwa, but English name is breast fruit. I don't know you that watching me. What are you calling it in your language? Tell me what you are calling it on your language. Because I posted this on one of my group. Many people from most especially African country, they don't even know what they are calling this. They never even see this kind of fruit. So for me to clear the air, I want you to tell me what they are calling it on your language and share of this video. Thanks and God bless.